Hello kids, did you know that how to subtract 34 minus 43? Today we will learn how to subtract 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. So let's start. Subtraction of 1-digit number. Here how many books kids? 9 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here how many books? 5 books. We need to subtract 9 minus 5. 9 subtract 5. We got how many books? We need to cut. How many books we need to remove from the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4 books. So let's understand is if we have 6 balls and we give the 4 balls to another person, then how many left with the A person? So we need to subtract. So how many balls? 6 balls and 4 balls we need to subtract. So 6 minus 4, if we cut 4 balls from there, so how many balls remaining? 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Next is 2-digit numbers. So 2-digit numbers without regrouping, without borrowing the subtraction. To subtract the number 32 from 85, we proceed as follows. How we are doing? Arrange the digit in spacing order that we asked you yesterday also. Always arrange the digits into the correct columns, tens and ones. So 32 from 85. So we need to subtract bigger number 85 minus 32. So how it comes? First subtract one's digit place. So what is 5 minus 2? If we have 5, then cut the 2. How many remaining? 3. So 5 in the hand, 2 we remove. How many left? 3. Again we will do it subtraction in the 10-digit place. So 8 minus 3. What will become 8 minus 3? We will open 8 in hand and subtract 3. So how many left? 5. So answer is 53. So how they do? Subtract the digit in one column. 5 ones minus 2 ones equals to 3 ones. Subtract the digit in tens column. 8 tens minus 3 tens equals to 5 tens. After that, with regrouping means we need to borrow something from the bigger number, from the tens digit, 100 digit places. To subtract the number 46 from 74, how we will do? First, we need to arrange them into the columns, correct columns. So 74 minus 46. How we subtract? Now if you can see, 4 is bigger number. 4 is smaller than 6. So we can't subtract from the 6. So subtract the 6 from 4. So we take borrow from it. So if we borrow, then we cross that and make it 6 and make it 14. So now we will subtract 14 minus 6. So what will become? Count 6 after 6 until 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many numbers come? We take 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So we put 8. Now here we don't use 7. We will use 6. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer is 28. Let's do one more digit. 61 O T O. Let's subtract 61 minus 34. Okay, so all kids are doing wrongly in this type of question. So how we will solve? We, as you know, 1, we can't subtract 4 from 1, so we take borrow, so it will become 5. Now this number not become 10, it's become 11. So 11 minus 4. So after 4 count till 11. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers we open? 5, 6, 7. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Now how many count? 5 minus 3, it's 2. And you can check this again by adding this number. So 7 plus 4 is 11, and this carry over 2 plus 3, 5 and 6. So this number will be matched with this number. So you can check your answer also when do subtraction. Okay kids? Next is subtraction of 3-digit numbers. To subtract the number 145 from 268, we proceed as follows. So 3-digit numbers, how we will do first? We arrange them in H, T, O column. So what is your number? Bigger number in the up, 268. Lower number is down, 145. So 8 minus 5, how we will do? 6, 7, 8. How many digits we count? 3. 6 minus 4, 5, 6. How many digits we count? 2. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1, 2. So how many? Only 1. So answer is 123. With 3 grouping, now we need to do with the borrow. So what we need to subtract? We need to subtract 252 from 638. 638 minus 252. So how we subtract? First we subtract bigger number 8 minus 2. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers we open? 5 and 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus 5 we can't do because 3 is smaller than 5. So we take borrow. It will become 5 and this become 13. So what will be the 13 minus 5? So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many fingers? 8 fingers we open. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. 386. So answer is 386. How we check that our answer is correct? So add this number to 386. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry over 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6. So this number matches with this number. So our answer is correct. Let's do some exercise. So let's start with the first question. Find the missing number. So how we will do it? First we arrange them in the tens place and one place. 47. We need to find this blocks. And what will be the answer? 28. Okay kids. So in last we learn that this number, if we add this number, we will get this. So what will happen? So if we minus this number here, then it will give the answer. So 47 minus 28. So 7 minus 8 we can't do it. Take borrow, it will become 3 and it will become 17. So 17 minus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many fingers? We open 9 fingers. So here will be 9 and 3 minus 2, 1. So if we write here, this will be the answer. So if we again add these two numbers, 19 plus 28, we'll get again 8 plus 9, 17. 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So this and this number will be same. So answer is 19. Next question is, Priya has 157 cows. How many cows? 157 cows. And then 78 goats. She sold 70 cows. How many sold? 70 cows. How many animals left with her? So first we need to add them because it's saying Priya has how many cows? 157 cows and 78 goats. So total animals, for finding total animals we need to add them. So first we need to write in perfect columns 157 and 78 always from ones place, 8 and 7. So we need to add them. 7 plus 8, 15, 1 carry over, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 7 is 13, 1 plus 1, 2, 235. So this will be the total animals. Now how many cows? She sold 70 cows. So sold means that they are not with her. So we need to subtract them. Now again we need to put it into the correct column. Then again from that, now it's minus, subtract 5 minus 0, 5. Now 3 minus 7 not possible. So we take borrow. It will become 13. 13 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 6 fingers. And then 1. So answer is 165 is the total animals she has now. Got it, kids? Next question is, we have abacus. Yesterday video we learned that how we need to find what is written over this abacus. We take ones place digit. How many beats? 1. Then tens place beats 1, 2, 3. Then 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need to subtract. Ones place we have 2. Tens place we have 4. So what will be the answer? 1 minus 2 we can't subtract. So we take borrow. So it will become 2 and this will become 11. Oh sorry, 11 not 10. So 11 minus 2 is 9. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 2 minus 4 not possible. So we take borrow again. So it will become 3 and it will become 12. So 12 minus 4, 8. Now 3 minus 0, 3. So answer is 389. Next question is, what is the difference between the place value of the digits at the 100 place in the numbers 650 and 234? Kids, understand the question carefully. What is the difference between the place value of the digits at the 100 place? So what will be the place value of the 650 in the 100 place? If we write H2O, so 6 place value is 600. That we learn in the first chapter, number sense, that place value. So 600 After that, what is the 100 place in the 234? 234. It is 200. Now we need to take difference. So put HTO 600 minus 200. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 400. Don't subtract directly 650 minus 234. It's not asking in the question. It's asking for the place value difference. So if he asks face value, so then we just subtract 6 minus 2. It will be 4. Okay, kids? Next is find the difference between the greatest two-digit number and 1. Greatest two-digit number is 99. So 99, if we minus 1, so it will 9 minus 1, 8, and then answer is 98. So we need to know that what is the greatest digit, two-digit number, greatest three-digit number, minimum, smallest two-digit number, smallest one-digit number. So you have to know about that always, okay? So answer is 98. Thank you, kids. Tomorrow we will do some exercise on subtraction and addition board. Bye bye. Follow and share.